Hello, this is another introductory video to show you some of the basic concepts in web design. This video is about nesting, about tags existing inside other tags. Most HTML tags have a beginning and an ending tag. The beginning tag shows where the effect or style begins. The ending tag shows where that style ends. Two tags can affect the same text. So in this example, you can see that the entire sentence is bold, but I've added an italic at the end. So where you see the italic text, that would be both bold and italic. Notice, however, that the italic is inside the bold. The EM is inside the strong. So one tag exists inside the other tag. The EM is inside the strong. It is not okay for them to overlap. So in the second example, you can see that the strong begins and then the EM begins, but then the strong ends and then the EM ends. This is not correct. If you have an EM or italic tag inside of the bold tag, it should end inside the bold tag. If one tag is within the other, we call this nesting. So in this case, the italic or EM tag is nested inside the strong or the bold tag. If you nest two inline tags, as you see below, all tags are contained within the same line. So EM for italic and strong for bold, these are both inline tags. So we have them all inside the one line. However, if you have a block tag, for example, the paragraph tag, and if this block tag contains anything, text or another tag, then each tag should be on its own line, the beginning P tag and the ending P tag. And all the other text and tags should be inside of it, indented by a ½ inch. Let's take a look at what this looks like in actual usage. Here's a very simple page in Komodo Edit. If we take a look inside the body, you'll see that there are 3 lines. The first line only has inline tags, strong for bold and EM for italics. You'll notice, however, that there is a mistake. The EM begins inside the strong tag, but it ends outside of the strong tag. In order to correct this, you would have to move the end tag for the italic or emphasis inside the strong tags. Now it's correct. Now the EM or italics is nested inside the strong tag. This is correct. Since both of these are inline tags, we can have them all on one line. This is a line within a paragraph. The P tag is for paragraphs. Since the P tag is a block element, it should be displayed differently. The text inside the paragraph should be on a separate line. So the P tag, the beginning P tag, should be on its own line at the top. Then whatever goes into that block tag should be indented by a ½ inch inside the P tag, and then finally on another separate line we have the end P tag. Down below we have a block element inside another block element. This is a paragraph inside of a div tag. So since these are both block elements, then we should have that same division of lines. So the div has its beginning and ending tags on separate lines, but also the P tag or the paragraph tag is a block tag, so that also deserves its own lines. Each one is indented. The P is indented from the div, and the text is indented from the P tag. And this is the correct types of nesting that are used in HTML.